What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all doing great of course. Welcome to this video. We're going to be taking a look at LTO again in this video. We'll take a look at kind of what happened over the last week of course. But also this move, volume went up by 100% again last 24 hours and we're also up 10%, which the market right now is pretty bearish. Alright, you can see that we were heading towards that 900 billion market cap, which is pretty low. We haven't seen that market cap in a while now. And LTO is quite bullish. So what's happening, right? Last weekend, we had a huge bull run, as you can see right here. Saturday, Sunday went up to 22 cents, found resistance at 20 cents, and then afterwards we dropped back down. Found a secondary rally at around 10 cents, and then we started dropping down. That's all normal. If you see a lot of bull runs like these, which, I mean, LTO is a great project, but this bull run was kind of manipulated. 100% it was manipulated. But usually what you see is you get these moves, all right? So this move is already way less strong than the last one. That's just usually what happens. You can see that from the bottom to the top, this was 26%. It's definitely not nothing. Would have been a great trade, but it's not a huge rally either. So, but I know a lot of you actually, and we talked about LTO a lot in the Cilinix Crypto Discord. So if you're interested in that, make sure to join it for free with a link. So I just wanted to make a video on that, kind of see what's going on the short term, right? So as I said, if you want to check out LTO, go to ltonetwork.com. Great project, all right? Definitely some use cases. It's not the youngest project. It started beginning of 2019. But it is a low market cap gem still, in my opinion. So if we zoom into the 1 hour time frame, and we'll actually zoom into the 15-minute as well, what you can see is that we found resistance at this major resistance level at around 12 cents. You can see that, in my opinion, there's one scenario in which we could actually get a little bit higher, where my price target would be like 12.5 cents, even though I think that's very unlikely. All right, so if we zoom into the 15-minute now, you can already see, and that's one of the reasons why I think it's unlikely. The second reason is just, or the first reason is that this is just what happens after a huge bull run like that. All right, you have these smaller bullish rallies. Second of all, on the 15-minute, you can see that we already took a break retest off of 11 cents. Didn't even find support there, broke through, bearish breakout, break retest. That's very bearish, all right, if you see that. So right now there's this support level at around 10.5 cents, or like 10.40, 10.35. There's a support level, which we're going towards. All right, so if we just delete this, we're going towards that support level. If we can actually, we're going to find some support there, I think. If we can actually stay on top of that for the rest, for the next day, next 24, no, let's say for the next 12 hours. All right, if we can stay on top of that for the next 12 hours, then I think we can actually have that bullish breakout and get up a little bit higher. I think though that it's way more likely that we'll drop down. We already took that break retest, that will drop down to 10.5, 10.35, find some support there, but then immediately afterwards drop down all the way to 10 cents. And then once we have hit 10 cents, we might find some support there, but eventually we'll also drop down to 9.5 cents and to 9 and 8.7 cents later this week, I think. I think something like this is the most likely scenario. And then from 8.5, 8.7, we might see some more bullish momentum again, but as I said, these small rallies are just getting smaller and smaller, and unless we get some very bullish fundamentals or manipulation, it's not going to be a huge run anymore. So yeah, that's my take on LTO for today. Quick little update. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care, have a great day, and bye.